So here we are with the Maycom EM27, not quite the earliest version, but certainly not the later version. If you saw, we managed to get it to kind of work by removing the battery and doing some printed circuit board maintenance, shall we say, where it rotted it away. It couldn't get the deviation quite where we wanted it, but it's better it's working like this than it's not working at all. So we've got to look at this as a scrap set which we've got working. So it's not going to have it's never going to remember what channel it was on when it was last left and things like that. We're not going to put a memory capacitor in it or replace the battery because there just isn't enough printed circuit board to safely anchor it to. Just check Mr. Chippie's there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
I'm just making sure you're there.
Yeah, roger that. This radio sounds a bit funny to me tonight. I don't know what.
Well, I'll just talk to you on my walkie-talkie, just so you know what a normal radio sounds like. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Yeah, that sounds absolutely fine.
Now we'll go back to the Maycom. Right, we'll plug our extension speaker in. Are you about there, sir?
Yeah, I just sent up the camera.
Roger Dodge, I've just put it on extension speaker. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, here we go, we're off we go. There is no cut tone control on this radio, so that's it.
Roger, straight on with it then.
Roger Diddley Dodger.
Right, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, are we a bit later than usual?
Yeah, a little bit.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Hey, always passing through Ancaster Crossroads and that big square road recently.
Yeah, just how it goes, isn't it?
It certainly is.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, go round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Maycom EM27 80 channel set, which is PR27 97 approved. This radius from about 1999. Doing a 4 watt output, over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, ready to pull in.
Roger. Go 21 from Mr. Chippie now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on a Maycom EM27, and I'm doing a full watt output. The radio doesn't have low power, so it's just a matter of looking at the meter and me telling you that the radio is drawing 1.14 amps, so it's full watt output on our aerial. Over.
Yep, roger that. That was all received, no problems.
Roger, Roger. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, same again, 149.7, 159.9. Over.
Roger, and now that comes through the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that, 1010.
10-10.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And I wonder if you've got a petrol price for me.
Yep, same again, 149.7, 159.9. Over.
Roger on that. Well, that concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that, 1010.
10-10. Right, well that worked fine. We'll listen to how that slightly low deviation is going to sound on those recordings. When I come to the test with our base station, I'm going to start off with the mic I made up, which I think is going to be lower gain than the mic this actually comes with. So we'll plug that in ready. So we'll start off with this as a standard replacement mic. I think this is going to be where the factory original one's going to be much better. We'll find out. Other thing to say is tomorrow we're on, this completes box 14 for the customer. So we're going to move on to box 15. Box 15 is a Comtron CB40F, kindly donated and sent me by Alan, our mystery benefactor from North Lincolnshire. I don't know whether I mentioned yesterday, whether we'd opened the post at that point. We had another mystery parcel from Alan yesterday, which was a scrap Thunderpole T800. So I wonder if we can turn it from scrap into a working radio, because there's still a current model. So that's something, I think we've allocated it job 21. So it's 15 tomorrow, and it's the Comtron. We'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station, and we'll see what this sounds like first with the standard replacement mic, which I think is going to be a bit quiet, and then the factory original.
Tango 21, testing the Maycom EM27 with a standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we'll go to the factory original. Tango 21, testing the Maycom with the factory original microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you found that enjoyable, and thanks for watching.